Good evening, students. Welcome to Guru Tutorials. Yesterday's mind teaser question, that is question number 6. How many ones will come between 0 to 100? One more time. How many ones will come between 0 to 100? Let me to show 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, and 100. Apart from these numbers, remaining any other number 1 will not come. Understood? So now let us count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, from 0 to 100, there are how many ones will come? Totally 21 ones will come. Totally 21 ones will come. I hope you understood the answer. So today's question. I have 3 daughters. Each one is having one brother. Then how many children I have? One more time. I have 3 daughters. Each one is having one brother. Then how many children I have? So this is today's question. If you know the answer, please comment in a comment box. If you don't know, in tomorrow's video, I will give the answer. Thank you.